Hey guys, Infidel 1258 here. I wanted to do a video today talking about silver and um, my continuing journey to 1,000 ounces. If you are new to my channel, I am stacking silver and I'm trying to make my way to an end stack of 1,000 troy ounces of silver. And I do that because if you follow my content, you'll know I do that because I have concerns around US federal debt, global interdependence on the US dollar, and what I imagine and anticipate is a complete failure of that cornerstone, which I call fiat failure. And I think that's closer than anyone realizes. And so I stack silver as a hedge. I'm not entirely outside of the realm of investment within the fiat world. I mean, I own a home, I have a life insurance policy, I have a job. These are all, in my mind, hedges or investments in the continuing success of the Canadian dollar and US dollar. But as the US debt rises, I think there's a growing risk and concern that the US economy will fail, and with it, the global economy. And so I stack silver. So follow me on YouTube here and on steemit.com, and you can see me do some unboxing, talk about silver, talk about inflation, talk about cryptocurrency and my family, pretty much anything that interests me. You can find me on steemit.com at infidel1258. But today I wanted to talk about silver and my next purchase, my end of month silver stack purchase. I'm going to be picking up some junk silver for the first time ever, which is exciting to me. I've been seeing a lot of silver stackers talking to me and saying, make sure you're getting some constitutional silver, aka junk silver, 90% US silver coinage from pre-65, I think, or 64, I forget. 1964 and older is 90% silver for the quarters and dimes, and I think the nickels were less silver, and the half dollars as well were 90%. So I'm going to be trying to acquire some of that, and I have some local retailers in Surrey and Calgary, Canada, that I've started pricing it from, and today's video is just going to be my thoughts on this and what I'm buying and why. But yeah, I'm looking at trying to pick up $10 or $15 worth of face value silver, which $1.40 face value of 90% silver equates to approximately 1 troy ounce. And so if you can buy 14 face dollars of US silver coinage, then you're going to get 10 troy ounces. So I'd like to get approximately 10 troy ounces. So if I can pick up 15 face, that'd be great. I looked online and I saw, some pretty exorbitant prices. I almost kind of bought too early, and I think I would have overpaid with silvergoldbull.ca. I almost bought 10 face dollars. It was $197.75 after GST and shipping. And you have to pay GST on junk silver. So it seemed like a fair price, but it really isn't. I broke the numbers down, and that would have been about $27.66 per troy ounce, which is $7 more than my local retailer in Surrey, BC. Unfortunately, my local guy doesn't have any right now, but he says he gets some every week. So I'm going to be following up with him on that, and hopefully by month end here, because I try and stack every month at the end of every month. So hopefully month end I'll be able to do a little unboxing video with you guys, and we can go through my new junk silver and see what I got, and maybe there'll be some cool years that we can talk about and look at. And definitely I'll be excited to see the condition that they've got, because when you're buying junk silver, if you don't know, one of the things you have to consider is the wear and tear that the coin has, because if it's got significant wear, then you're actually losing silver content, and so you might get less than 0.715 ounces per dollar face if the dollar face that you've got is really beat up. So I'll be looking for things like that and sharing, my unboxing with you, and hopefully we can get excited together about the condition and just talk about that together. Um, Other than that, kind of a boring day, a little bit quiet because the stock markets are closed for American Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to anybody that's watching and that's in America. Um, Hope you're enjoying yummy turkey and some family time. Lots of love and cuddles. Silver's up 20 cents, which is great because it was touched all the way down to 14 US per spot ounce, troy ounce, and then now today it's at 14.50. So I'm excited to see that. But frankly, I'm not surprised. I wasn't expecting $14 to linger, and I think long run 14.50 is going to be a bargain. Um, Stocks are getting slaughtered last few days. I know the market's closed today, but I don't know if you guys saw Dow Jones lost 600 points yesterday, 200 the day before that. Oh, sorry, they broke even yesterday, but the day before that 600 loss, the day before that 200 loss. So they're down 800 points in the last 3 days, and I was kind of excited to see what was going to happen today for all the carnage that might have happened. We'll see. We'll see next. We'll see tomorrow, I guess, when they reopen. Um, Other than that, I wanted to talk a little bit about the stocks and my outlook. I mean, if you follow me, I'm very bearish on the stock market, on anything fiat related. I don't think you should have bonds. I don't think you should have stocks. I don't think you should have an excess of U.S. currency or Canadian currency, unless it's literal physical bills. But Yeah, I mean, then I guess if there's any news, you could say that the news is really around pessimism around the Fed's plan for raising interest rates and what that means for um, um, corporations' ability to pay back and service the debts that they've already built while interest rates were and have been so low for a while. And then you've got worries around, can they keep buying back their own stocks to pump up prices artificially as they have been doing while those interest rates are rising on the borrowed money. Corporate earnings don't look so good. And so I'm skeptical on that stuff. And again, that's part of the picture of why I'm buying silver. Um, and but yeah, that's all I really wanted to talk about today, guys. Um, I will be excited to share with you when I get my silver, and you can look for a video on that probably next week, but hopefully sooner. We'll see when my local guy gets some more. And thank you so much, guys, for your time and attention. I hope you have an awesome day. God bless you. And remember, like and subscribe, and find me on steemit.com at infidel1258. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.